Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dev, aka Debbie Debonair, and this is the Debonair Lifestyle. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a first impression of the new PlayStation 5. Now, I know it's been out for a while, but I finally got my hands on one, and until this day, I'm still shocked that it even happened. Like, it was random how I just came up on one, but I said, you know what? I got a little bit of money in my pocket. I'm going to treat myself, so I went ahead and purchased it. So, since I have it, why not do an unboxing for it? But this is a special version of the PlayStation 5 because it comes included with Horizon Forbidden West. Now, if you played the first Horizon on the PlayStation 4, it was a pretty good game. I owned it, I enjoyed it, so when I seen this as a bundle package, I said, you know what, this is on the list of my games to get if I was to ever get a PlayStation 5. So the fact that it came as a 2-in-1, I said, you know what, I'm going to just go ahead and swipe. And that's what I did. But enough talking, let's get into this unboxing. Lay it flat, play it safe. I already ripped it, so I can't resell it. And let me take this call. Alright, y'all, my apologies. The wife called, so I had to talk to her real quick. So my bad, but let's keep the show on the road and continue this unboxing. I messed it up anyway. Yeah. Fucking amateur. I'm an amateur when it comes to this, bro. It's fucking amateur hour with me right now. Alright, so right here we have the power adapter. Doesn't come with a brick, so I like that. It's not gonna take up so much space in the back of my TV stand, so I'm cool with that. That's a controller. We're gonna hold off on that. Over here we have the HDMI cable with Alright, with the stand, I know y'all seen unboxings already. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to have my layout. But this is the stand that comes included. And we have the new controller. This is my first time holding this. It ain't that bad. I'm tired. Stop hyping stuff, bruh. Like, golly. These tech channels, tech whatever, they hype everything up as if like this new shape and design was gonna be so hard to hold in hand, and it's gonna take so adjusting. It feels natural. Like I might just have big hands. I don't know. Like just feel like another controller. Like but they be hyping. They really be hyping. Look, man, as long as y'all come to my channel, I'm gonna keep it honest. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This don't feel bad in hand. It feels natural, bro. If you're a gamer, bro. You play. You know what I mean? They hand you the sticks, you play. That's it. Look, new controller, new design. It's cool. I'm talking crazy now until I start playing, but I can tell I like it already. Like, my hands just naturally just grip. Like, bro, they overhyped this. It's PlayStation. Kudos, y'all. Thought outside the box. Made something look new. And I mess with it. But anyway, moving right along. We gonna set this to the side. And we gonna get to the start of the show. Paperwork and stuff. Nobody cares about. Set that to the side. And alright, just don't drop that as well. Okay. All right, what everybody has been waiting for. Take my time with this one. That's nice. That's nice. Alright, that's nice. Now I'm supposed to set this up, man. I don't want to do it the wrong way. Alright, we're gonna do it like this. Hold on. Gotta be gentle with it. Gotta be gentle. But here we have it, the brand new PlayStation 5. Wow. I still can't believe I own this. Like, this wasn't even supposed to be a thing. I was not looking to get a PS5. I follow a Twitter account that like just tracks when the next PlayStation delivery is gonna be at certain stores, and Best Buy just happened to have them. So I got lucky. Like, I was not trying to get one, not trying to spend this money on this system, but I said, you know what, screw it, man. If I get it, I'm gonna get it. And I had to wait in like this digital line for like an hour and a half, and they verified my Best Buy account, and like I said, an hour and a half later, said add to cart. I added it to cart. And if you ever try to like get a console, especially these new ones, it's some BS as far as the process. So I just knew I was gonna be able to add it to cart, and then once I entered all my information and I wanted to pay, I was planning on getting kicked out. Like, I just knew that was gonna happen next, because that has happened time after time. We're trying to get one of these new consoles, but that wasn't the case with this one. It said add to cart and accepted my payment, and told me to come pick it up. And I was like, oh shit. Okay, alright, bet. So here we have it, man. It's the brand new PlayStation 5. Like I said, I do have the Horizon Forbidden West edition, which, where is my game at? Hey, bruh. Hey, no, hold on. Nah, this wasn't even part of the video. I ain't even get my game. Low key. Alright, see, this is the type of stuff that happens when you try to be entertaining in these videos. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the physical disc, because this is the disc edition. As far as the PlayStation 5, they also have a digital version, which would have made more sense if I got a digital version. But I have the digital code that I gotta enter in order to download it onto my PlayStation. Sony might want to get back to the drawing board with that one. I don't mind physical copies. That's why I got this one. I ain't tripping, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. Guys, the brand new PlayStation 5. I have it. Follow me on twitch.tv/DebbieDebonair to watch me play. I guess I will be playing Horizon Forbidden West. But if you don't choose to follow me there, please do me a huge favor by following me on my YouTube channel. Subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And hit that like button, because that also helps the channel grow and reach out to more people. Once again, my name is Dev, aka Debbie Debonair. This is the Debonair Lifestyle. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.